Is it the perfect time to make a move on the QQQ ETF? Welcome to an in-depth analysis of the QQQ. Our initial report was released on our website on Thursday, October 19, 2023. But today, we're taking it to the next level and providing you with even more detailed insights. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest analysis. Staying up to date is vital when it comes to making informed investment decisions. Elevate your trading game with our groundbreaking AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Discover the power of AI and access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Brace yourself. Since the fateful day of October 18, 2023, our system has classified QQQ as a sell candidate, assigning it a worrying score of -3.00. But wait, there's more. Let's dive into the mind-boggling performance of this stock during that period. Brace yourself. The stock took a nosedive, experiencing a jaw-dropping loss of -0.94%. Can you believe it? On average, that's a staggering -0.47% loss per day since it was flagged as a sell candidate. Brace yourself for the latest update on the ETF's performance. It's currently caught in a downward spiral, indicating an impending fall in the short term. Let's dive into the numbers. According to the 3-month trend, there's a potential -3.64% change in the next 3 months. This means the ETF could see a return ranging between -6.65% and -0.665%. Quite a roller coaster, isn't it? But don't lose hope just yet. The 12-month trend paints a more optimistic picture. It suggests a whopping 42.21% change in the next year, with a potential return between 42.21% and 65.34%. Imagine the possibilities. This could result in a price range of $511.90 to $595.19 after a year. Hey there! Let's dive into the latest update for QQQ. Brace yourself, because Thursday was a red day for QQQ. The QQQ ETF price took a dip of -0.94% on the 19th of October 2023, going from $363.37 to $359.97. That makes it 3 consecutive days of decline. During the last trading day, the ETF had its fair share of ups and downs, with a fluctuation of 1.91% between a day low of $359.17 and a day high of $366.02. Phew, quite the roller coaster ride, right? Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a modest gain of 0.36%. But here's the twist: volume increased by a whopping 20 million shares on the last day, despite falling prices. Could this be an early warning sign? Looks like the risk might just be creeping up over the next couple of days. In total, approximately $25.86 billion worth of QQQ shares were bought and sold, with a staggering 72 million shares in the mix. Now, let's zoom out and check the bigger picture. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the ETF reached was $387.98, while the lowest price dipped to $259.08. At present, the price is hanging 7.22% or $28.01 below the 52-week high. And if we go even further back in time, it's a staggering 11.93% or $48.74 below the all-time high that occurred on November 22, 2021, when the price skyrocketed to $408.71. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The QQQ ETF holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $366.77 and $366.65. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, October 11, 2023, and so far it has fallen -3.03%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the ETF should be followed more closely. Hey there. I've got some exciting signals to share with you. Keep an eye on these. Moving average convergence divergence, we've got a buy signal. Pivots, it's a sell signal, but that was 7 days ago. Bollinger, check out this buy signal from 17 days ago. Short-term moving average, it's a sell signal and it happened 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, unfortunately, it's a sell signal from 3 days ago. Now, let's look at the relationship between the short and long moving averages. We've got a buy signal from 5 days ago. Moving on to the 12-month chart, here's what we see. Short moving average, it's a sell signal and it happened just 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, another sell signal, this time from 3 days ago. And the relationship between the short and long moving averages? It's a buy signal from 11 days ago. Remember, if you want to find more signals, head over to our page at StockInvest.us. We've got you covered. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $358.58, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. In general, the ETF tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity the risk is considered very low in this stock. During the last day, the ETF moved $6.85 between high and low, or 1.91%. For the last week the ETF has had daily average volatility of 1.67%. Get ready to dive into the exciting world of trading levels for QQQ. But before we do that, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data that every trader needs to know. First up, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This is a crucial ratio that measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. Pay attention, because a relatively low PE ratio could be a sign of a company with low expectations for the future or an undervalued stock. And you know what that means, a potential buying opportunity. Welcome, traders. Get ready to dive into some exciting day trading levels for QQQ. Buckle up as we explore potential opportunities for upward momentum. Keep an eye on the first resistance level at $364.70. If the stock manages to break through this level, it could be your signal to enter the market. Swing traders, take note. But what about the downside? Don't worry, we've got you covered. QQQ finds support at $358.58. If this level holds strong, it could be your chance to make a well-timed entry, riding the wave of a rebound. Hold on to your seats because we've got some important news about this ETF. Brace yourself for a negative evaluation, and guess what? No stop loss has been set. Are you curious about the QQQ ETF? Well, let's dive into it. Unfortunately, we have some not-so-great news. QQQ currently holds several negative signals and is caught in a falling trend. As a result, we anticipate it will continue to underperform in the upcoming days or weeks. Our evaluation is leaning towards the negative side. But wait, there's more. When we examined the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems discovered something interesting. The current price seems to be undervalued. Now, let's talk about what's on the horizon for QQQ. On Friday, October 20th, we expect QQQ to open up by $1.75 and start trading at $361.72. Trading can be both thrilling and risky, and we want to make sure you're well informed before making any investment decisions. That's why we strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor who can guide you through the process. Remember, StockInvest.us is here to provide you with valuable information, but ultimately, the choice is yours and you are responsible for your own investments. Welcome to the incredible world of stocks. Are you ready to dive into our current view of the stock market? We want to hear your thoughts. Do you agree or disagree? Don't forget to comment below and share your valuable insights. And hey, what's your target for the ETF? We're eager to know. While you're here, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting trading content. Get ready for successful trading in a day filled with beauty and prosperity, brought to you by the passionate team here at StockInvest.